In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a moving background in CapCut PC. If you want to turn a plain, static scene into something that feels more dynamic and professional, CapCut gives you two very easy ways to do it. You can either animate a still image so it moves gently behind your subject, or you can use one of CapCut's built-in looping motion backgrounds for an instant effect. Both options are simple, and both can make your video feel much more polished. Let's start with the first method, which is perfect if you already have a photo you want to use as your background. Begin by placing your subject video on track 2. This is important because your subject needs to sit above the background layer. Then go to the video panel, open Cutout, and enable auto removal. This isolates you from your original background so CapCut can place you cleanly in front of a new one. Once your subject is cut out, drag your background photo onto track 1 underneath the subject clip. After that, click the background image, go to Video, then Basic, and find the small keyframe diamond next to Position and Size. Add a keyframe at the very beginning of the clip, then move your playhead all the way to the end, and slightly drag the image or scale it up or down. You only need a subtle adjustment here. That small movement creates a smooth pan or zoom effect, making the background feel alive without being distracting. Now let's look at the second method, which is even faster if you want ready-made motion. Keep your isolated subject on track 2, then go to the top left navigation area, click Media, and select Library. In the search bar, type terms like abstract motion, loop, or moving city. Once you find a background you like, drag that video loop onto track 1 below your subject. Right away, your scene changes from static to animated, and it gives your video a much more engaging look. To finish, you'll want to fine-tune the scale so everything fits properly. Click the background video on track 1, then use the corner handles in the preview window to resize it until it fills the entire screen. After that, press the spacebar to preview your result. This helps you quickly check that the motion looks smooth and that your subject sits naturally in front of the background. And that's it. You now have a clean, professional moving background in CapCut PC using two of the easiest methods available.